Morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to kind of a vlog day today. It was brought to my attention last night about the sunroof visor bit, you know, the bit you slide across. We kind of didn't think about that, did we? Let me show you. Yeah, that looks lovely and that don't. That's the new material and that's that. We're like, ooh. So yeah, I ripped it out of the car and we've noticed that this is not material as such. It's not like a roof lining. So this is flocked and I found out that it was flocked, so now I've had to run around and do a bit of phoning and find people to do it. I found a place in Watford. They said bring a sample with you and then they'll match it. So they've quoted me, I think it was 75 quid plus the VAT to strip that and reflock it in the correct colour. So we're off to Watford today, take that over there. We're slumming it today. We're on the old GoPro with no external microphone and that, so bear with. As long as you can hear me, it should be alright. Dave's just changing his rear brakes on a Mini that he bought for his missus, that he's now found another Mini that he's going to go and get for his missus because it's cheaper on insurance and blah blah blah. So I've got to run him to where are we going? Dagenham way, something like that. We're going to go collect this other Mini, then go round to Watford, drop that off. We bought an Astrovan off my neighbour because it was cheap. I think it's outside. I'll show you. One sec. Bought that off my neighbour because it was cheap. Needs a starter motor, but I've got one, so we're going to throw a starter motor on that. It's showing low mileage. I checked the Vosa, it's been clocked twice. It's done about 270,000. Fairly straight little van. It was cheap, so I'm going to throw a starter motor on that and we'll throw it on Facebook and cash that in and earn a drink. Yeah, ideal for someone that just wants to bomb around in something, I suppose. So yeah, bit of a vlog type video today. I'll be all over the place. This is a dive hole. I'll have to tidy everything up in here as well. All that is all my Renault stuff. I lost my storage. My neighbour's got a container next door and I had all the Renault seats and trims and window stuff and all that in there and carpet. It's been in there since I've had the Renault, but his container's going, so I had to empty that the other day. So I've now got to go and put that somewhere as well. So yeah, we've got loads going on today. I'll try and film some bits and see what we get up to. But yeah, quite a lot to get on with. Let's get cracking. See you soon. Right, it's now the next day. I dropped the sunroof cover, slider, grill, vent, whatever you call it, off over to Watford. I've dragged the cosy out of the other unit and we're gonna, well, I'm waiting for someone to get over here, give me a hand, but I'm gonna put the C-pillar trims in. I can do that on my own, that's not a problem. And then I'm gonna get someone to give me a hand and we'll put the roof lining in. By the look of what they've done underneath from factory, it looks like a bit of hot glue there. But what I've decided to do is I'm going to put some Tiger Seal on there. Now Tiger Seal won't hold it up until it's set, so I've also got hot glue gun, so I'm going to put a couple of little bits of hot glue, hold it up, wait till that dries, which doesn't take long, couple of minutes, and then that's set, and then the Tiger Seal will go off and then that'll hold it up there and that's never going to come down. So I'm going to try and see if I can film some of this. I'm going to put the C-pillar trims in and then yeah, hopefully we'll get some footage of getting that roof lining in. And also the seat base needed changing. My mate Dave, other Dave, had a spare seat base bit, so we're going to try and install that as well. So yeah, I'll see how we get on and I'll try and film what we can. See you in a bit. And that's one thing that we forgot. We're repainting these. I can't put the C-pillar trim in until I've done these and put them back, because the bolts are up behind the C-pillar trim. So I've took them off. So we're going to work on getting the roof lining in. I'm waiting for Dave to come over, give me a hand, so the C-pillar trims can go in after. So I'll do roof lining first, then when I make a bit of room, I can tidy them trims up, paint them in a bit of satin black, and then we can plod on, and these C-pillar trim things can go in last. So let's get the roof lining sorted. See you in a bit. There you go, guys. We're not quite finished putting all the bits back on, but all the lining's in. It's been a pain. Still got a few bits to put in the front and stuff, but yeah, all the sunroof trims in and stuff like that. I've got a bit, I'm gluing where you have to glue the board up to the roof there. I've got them wedged up on it. Hopefully it won't mark it, but all of the pillar bits there are removed so I can get them painted. Yeah, we've got a couple of bits wedging them up there, but yeah, it's going to look really nice. It really does look really nice in there, to be honest. Where we cleaned all them trims, I've still got to get around to changing that webbing at the bottom. But yeah, it's looking real nice in there now. I'm going to let that sit overnight, and then that'll glue the board back up. That should do. I'm running out of time, so tomorrow I'll finish the rest of the trims, get this seat out, replace the webbing. I'm just trying to run it up to temperature. It's been started, stop, start, stop, pulled in and out loads of times, and I haven't really let it run up. It's got had a little misfire when I started it, and it's a little bit tappy again, so I want the oil to get round all proper. The battery I've had on charge all day, and it's not holding a charge, so I think the battery's had it. We've got a few bulbs out that we've noticed, we've been going around it, so I'm going to sort all of them lot out as well. And we've got to put the strip back in the bumper. It's been awkward because that's in now. I've had the car half in and half out today, trying to sort that out. But yeah, she sounds lovely. We're not quite there yet on temperature, so I'm going to run this up to temperature, and that's about all I'm doing today. So yeah, hopefully I'll come up tomorrow, get that finished. I'm going to put that battery on repair my charger, made by Noco, who does my big booster pack. This has got like a repair mode that you can put it on, this one. It's a really good charger, but I just had it on normal and it didn't take the charge, so I'll put it on repair mode tonight, and then when I come up tomorrow I'll get all them trims finished. We can't put these back in because I've got to paint, like I said earlier, the C-pillar trims on the outside ones, them. I'm going to sort them. This one's original and alright. This one's been painted before, but we're going to do them properly, do them satin black, make them look nice. But yeah, that's about it from me today. There's not much else I can show you. Hope the sound's good enough. We're slumming it with the old GoPro today. It's doing my nutting using on the new GoPro that I got to make it work. I'll try and show you quickly. Basically, I have to put, as the GoPro, I have to put it inside this media mod case, have this angled adapter. Here's my little microphone that plugs into that, and then that cover goes on top of it. Ignore the white lead, that's when it was in my phone. But what I found out is if I leave it in the media mod and I try and download my footage and then put it in my editor, it keeps turning itself off. So I have to take it out of that media mod to download the footage every time. But to do that, you have to then take it off the stand and off the holder to get the little legs to fold away to remove it all, and it's just a pain. I've just had enough. While I'm trying to sort stuff out, the last thing I want to do is spend extra 20 minutes each time I want to download the footage. So yeah, that's why we're on this one today. But yeah, tomorrow I should get some more done on it, and we'll go from there. So as always, a massive thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.